Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to change password on your eToro application. To change password on eToro, first of all open up the eToro app and make sure that you are logged into your account. After signing into eToro, go to the top left corner and tap on the hamburger menu. In the expanded menu, scroll down and tap on Settings. This will open up the Settings interface where you will need to tap on Account. Now, scroll down and tap the Change button right next to Password. Enter your current password in the first text box. Go to the next field and enter your new password for eToro. Re-enter your new password in the last Confirm Password text box to make sure that you are typing in your new password correct, and finally tap on Submit at the bottom in order to change your password for eToro. Right after you follow these instructions, you should be able to change your login password for eToro in just a couple of steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.